Hi, this is Gareth from Ribs for Sale, and this is just a quick video to walk over this fantastic 2019 Ballistic 7.8 meter rib powered by the newer Yamaha F300NCB engine. So without further ado, we're just going to go over the boat in a bit more detail. Hold on. So here we are at the back of the boat. Now, anyone in the know knows that this engine is a lot newer than the boat. The boat's a 2019. This series of engine came out in 2022, I believe, in the UK. So the engine's newer. This was due to, unfortunately, having a failure, an overheat failure that just happened when the boat unfortunately got marooned on a mud flat. So the engine was changed for the new one. She is a full Hypalon boat. Should I just say that the engine's only done 49 hours as well. She's a full Hypalon boat, full Silvertex upholstery. She's got the teak effect flooring as the new boat specification. The hull, as with the console benefits from Garmin electronics, the Yamaha 6x9 screen, VHF DSC, BB100 music from Fusion. She's a dual battery, dual bilge pump boat with the flip seat on the front of the console, which houses the table and the battery system. There's a wonderful V-berth / sort of sun pad area in the bow, and she is obviously sitting on top of the prolific reverse scallop chine hull that the Ballistic 7.8 is renowned for, as you can see there. Wonderful comfort, cracking turn of speed. If you've got any questions, and don't hesitate, give us a call. The number in the office, as always, is 02 392 397 000.